According to the historical text, the Chavda dynasty ruled over Panchasar. Its ruler Jaishikhari attained martyrdom in a war. His son Vanraj Chavda recaptured his father's kingdom. In place of the ruined kingdom, he established a new kingdom on the banks of river Saraswati, which was known as Anhilwad Patan. It is believed that his friend Anhil assisted him in acquiring the kingdom, and hence the territory was named Anhilwad Patan after him. The Chavda dynasty ruled over Gujarat for approximately 196 years. Thereafter, the Solanki dynasty ruled over Gujarat. Students, Chavda dynasty ruled over Gujarat during the medieval age. Anhilpur or Anhilwad Patan was the capital of its kingdom. The Chavdas ruled over Panchasa region, and the king of the Chavda dynasty was Jaishikhari. He died in a battle and became a martyr. So later his son Vanraj Chavda regained the ruined kingdom of Chavda dynasty and set up its capital in Anhilwad Patan on the banks of river Saraswati. It is believed that Vanraj's friend Anhil helped him regain his father's lost kingdom, and so Vanraj renamed the capital of his kingdom Patan as Anhilwad Patan. The Chavda dynasty ruled for 196 years in Gujarat. During the rule of the Solanki dynasty, Gujarat became very prosperous. The Rajput era saw Anhilwad Patan emerge as one of the most powerful kingdoms. The kings of this dynasty, Mulraj Solanki, Bhimdev Solanki, Siddharaj Jai Singh, Kumar Pal, were among the great rulers. The famous scholar Kalika Sarvagna Sri Hemchandracharya was patronized during the rule of Siddharaj Jai Singh. During his reign, Anhilwad Patan became the main center of education and was known as Vidyadham. On his proposal, Sri Hemchandracharya wrote a book on grammar, Siddhem Sabdhanushasan. After its completion, the book was placed on the seat tied onto an elephant, and the procession was carried throughout the city. Both the king, Siddharaj Singh, and the composer, Sri Hemchandracharya, accompanied the procession on foot. It was the first time that a literary text was given such enormous respect. The prosperity of Gujarat reached its apex during the reign of Kumarpal. At this time, the amalgamation of non-violence, ahimsa, prosperity, Lakshmi, and education, Saraswati, was noticed in Anhilwad Patan. The kings of the Solanki dynasty were great rulers. However, six of these rulers renounced their thrones to become hermits. More information on this can be obtained from the library. Students, after the Chavda dynasty, the Solanki dynasty came into power in Gujarat. Solanki kings were Rajputs, so they were known for their bravery. Among them, Mulraj Solanki, Bhimdev, Siddharaj Jai Singh, Kumar Pal, etc. were quite brave and famous. Under Siddharaj Jai Singh, Anhilwad Patan became the main center of education. It also came to be known as Vidyadham. During the rule of Siddharaj Jai Singh, there was a famous Jain scholar called Hemchandracharya. Siddharaj Jai Singh proposed Hemchandracharya to prepare a book on grammar called Siddhem Shabd Anushasan. This was a great work of Hemchandracharya. When the book was compiled, it was respectfully placed on elephant's back and a procession was taken out in whole kingdom to honor the book. Both the king and Hemchandracharya walked along with the procession. It was the first event in which a literary book was given so much respect. Siddharaj Jai Singh also constructed Shastra Lake in Patan. During the rule of Kumarpal, Gujarat's prosperity was at its peak. During his rule, Anhilwad Patan was flooded with non-violence, prosperity and education. All the six rulers of Solanki dynasty later became hermits, saints. Things to know. Year of establishment of Patan. According to the text Dharmaran, Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat 746 CE. According to a handwritten memoir, Rajvanshavali, that is list of descendants chronologically, Patan was established in 802 Vikram Samvat 746 CE. Even today, The year of establishment engraved on the Ganpati idol at Ganpati Pole is 802 Vikram Sawant, 746 CE. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.